my name is Minh. Today I'm going to tell you about the story Tractor in Trouble. Tractor in Trouble. This is Apple Tree Farm. This is Mrs. Boot, the farmer. She has 2 children called Poppy and Sam and a dog called Rusty. Ted works on the farm. He helps Mrs. Boot. Ted looks after the tractor and all the farm machines. Today it is very windy. The wind is blowing the trees and it is very cold. Poppy and Sam play in the barn. Where are you going? Ted. Ted is driving the tractor out of the yard. I'm just going to see if the sheep are all right, he says. Ted stops the tractor by the gate. He goes into the sheep field. He nails down the roof of the sheep shed to make it safe. Poppy and Sam hear a terrible crash. What's that? Says Sam. I don't know. Let's go and look, says Poppy. They run down the field. A tree has burned down. It's coming down on Ted's tractor, says Poppy. Come on, we must help him, says Sam. What are you going to do, Ted? Poor Ted is very upset. The tree has scratched his new tractor. He can't even get into the camp. Asks Farmer Dre to help. I think I can see him on the hill, says Ted. Poppy and Sam run to ask him. Soon, Farmer Dre comes with his horse. Farmer Dre has a big gentle cart horse called Dolly. They have come to help Ted. I will cut up the tree first. Farmer Dre starts with his chainsaw. Then he cuts off the branches which have fallen on the tractor. Dolly starts to walk. Farmer Dre ties 2 ropes the dollies. Harness. Ted ties the other ends to the big branches. Dolly pulls and pulls. She works hard until all the branches are off the tractor. Well done, Dolly, says Farmer Dre. Ted climbs up into the cab. Thank you very much, Farmer Dre and Dolly, he says, and they all go back to the farmyard. The tractor looks a little messy. Ted finds a brush and paints over all the scratches. It will soon be as good as new, he says. That's the end of the story, Tractor in Trouble. Do you like this story? Comment below, subscribe and share. And now, bye bye.